Hey Glamazons, it's me, and this is going to be a jewelry haul video. But first up, a few non-jewelry items just really quickly. This is a feather boa. So I got one for Pebbles and I got one for me. I know this is super random, but it's a feather boa. So it's like really angelic. It's like silvery and gray. I thought that was really cool. Genuine feather, so I just thought that was really fun. And you guys know I bought some incense. So the other two that I wanted to show you guys that I was missing was the lotus, the honey rose incense, and then I found some other cool ones. So 7 powers, I don't know what that is, but it smells nice. Egyptian musk, which I like the packaging on that. Thought that was really cool. Lavender. This one's super cool. Meditation incense. So can't wait. That's exciting. St. Martin for health. Interesting. The 7 archangel. So apparently this is supposed to call angels to you. Super cool. This one is called Breaks All. If you want to find these, just type in HEM incense and you'll find the website. I think you can order from there, but I got these from a local store. And just 2 more of these. The 7 African powers. Again, I don't really know what that is, but it smells nice. And last but not least, money drawing power, which I thought was so freaking cool. So if I all of a sudden get rich and disappear, it'll have been this incense. Anyway, Glamazons, let's continue. I have a ton of jewelry here, and I really don't even know where to start, honestly. Well, you know where these rings are from. I will link everything below. They are from eBay. They are from Nicole's store. And I'm sure some of you may have even seen these on eBay. And if you're wondering who keeps buying them so quick, it's me. So look at this. This is a snake in solid silver. And it's so detailed. Look at that ring. Had to have it. And I just think it's absolutely fabulous. Look at the detail on the eye there. So cool. I have no more room in my ring box, guys. In fact, my ring box is actually sitting here. Let me quickly... My brand new ring box, guys. So here it is. And I am officially out of room as I pan it. So yeah, it's completely full. And except for the ring I took out that I have on, that's right there. Yeah, so I have no more room in this brand new box, and so I need another one. So the rings that I just filmed and the ones I'm filming right now have no home. Continuing on, this pretty ring here is also from Nicole. If I can get the camera to focus. So it's like it's a blue topaz with little lab-grown emerald accents. And it's very, very beautiful. It's an Edwardian style. This one's a little on the daintier side compared to most of her jewelry. My fingers are swollen, so I probably shouldn't even be like jamming it on, but there you go. I gotta make sure I can get this off. I had Chinese food, which I shouldn't have been even eating, but like now my hands are like swollen. Ouch. And they're a little dry because I've been in acetone and everything else. So forgive me. But okay, moving along. I'm going to try and show you not just rings, but other stuff too. If I can get this camera to like lay right. Whoops. Okay. So, this is a pretty ring. I want to say it's a lab created emerald. So, let me see if I can focus. Yes. So it's basically a heart with a bow wrapped on top of it. Very nice ring. Very pretty ring. I don't know if it'll fit on that finger. It won't fit. It fits on this finger, but you guys get the idea. Very gorgeous. Very gorgeous ring. Let's see here. Oh yeah, this is another one I purchased from Nicole. Yeah, so like my paychecks totally go to Nicole now. But yeah, let me get a napkin here so you guys can see the blue color. Look at this. This is a rough apatite. Focus. Alright, so it's a rough apatite. The gemstone's called apatite, and it's in this gorgeous wire wrapped silver. How beautiful. And let's see, where did I put that stupid ass flashlight? Let me see if I bought that stupid flashlight over here. Yeah, look at this. Isn't that cool? So, check it out. It's a stone called apatite. You can see how blue it is. And, yeah, let's... Isn't that pretty? It's seriously like a blueberry blue. Like when the sunlight hits this, is absolutely gorgeous. So again, Nicole has the most unique jewelry you will ever find in your life. And it's beautiful, which is why she always gets my money. Oh, now this pretty thing here. And let me get that white napkin back. This is... I hope you guys like me grabbing the tweezers. Trying to be all professional. This is a dendritic opal. Look at that, it's gray. Alright, so it's gray. And then white with black spots. And then the bottom stones are Herkimer diamond. Google that, Herkimer diamond. They're not diamonds, but the stone's called Herkimer diamond. And this is beautiful, like very, very beautiful ring. Again, super unique. I have never seen a ring like this before. Look at that. There's a silly flashlight. You know, just covering my bases here. I hope you guys like that. Alright, let's see here. Again, I probably shouldn't have started filming right after playing in acetone and gel and all this other stuff. Like, my hands look ashy. I am sorry. Let me see. I don't want to just show you guys rings in this video. But this ring, let me pull out this one. Also from Nicole. Ooh, focus. It's got red opals and emerald. So this one's really pretty. This one's actually quite dainty. And it's very cute. It's unique. Again, you just don't see pieces like this. I'm not going to shove it all the way on. But it's really cute. It's actually a small ring, so it's very cute, more for everyday kind of wear. Alright. Yeah. Cute, right? I'm gonna see if I can stuff that in the jewelry box. Continuing. from John's eBay store, I picked up this pretty turquoise and marcasite pendant. Okay, yeah, there we go. Well, there goes the tweezers on the floor. Okay, so yeah, this is gorgeous. Sterling silver, marcasite, and turquoise. This came from John's store. If you watch my videos, you saw this in onyx. He had it in onyx as well. All of my jewelry videos are in one spot on my channel page. If you click my channel page, there's a playlist called Jewelry. You can find all of my videos containing all of the jewelry there. That way you don't have to comb through all my videos. This bracelet came from eBay, and it is sterling silver. Beautiful bracelet. This did not come from John or Nicole's store. It was just some random eBay store. But yeah, I love it. Beautiful, beautiful bracelet, and you know exactly which designer this looks like. Oh man, I really need those tweezers. Oh, I cannot believe this. Okay.